Hi to all the lovely people. You all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Well, we all learn English, but we usually learn English with a perspective of using it at our workplace. But what about the times when we are very new and we are, sort of learning, and there definitely is a huge room for error in the English that we speak? Well, how do we basically conduct ourselves, or how do we sort of encounter or negotiate a situation wherein we are still learning English, we're not as good at it, and we have to use it at our workplace? Should we just get embarrassed with all the mistakes that we create? Well, not really. In this video, we're going to discuss about certain tips for workplace English conversations. Let's go ahead. Well, all these tips which we discuss in this video will make it very easy for you to during that time while you are learning English and you're using it at your workplace, that entire time will become very easy for you with these tips. Let's get started. Okay, tell people that you are learning English. Yes, that is very right. Well, whenever you are working somewhere or you are talking with anybody, right, be it at your workplace, be it anywhere else, the most important thing is to be honest. Because when you are just when you're sort of not trying to be someone whom you are definitely not, it definitely helps a lot. So if you're trying to be someone whom you are not and you are just faking it, well, that is a big turn off, and you don't want that to happen for sure. So there's nothing to get embarrassed at all. Just admit it. Just tell people that you are learning English and you're not as great at it right now, but yes, you are trying your level best. There is definitely no need to get embarrassed, and for all you may know, you might as well get unprecedented support which you might not have even thought about. Okay, ask people to repeat things if you don't understand. Again, something for which you need to overcome that embarrassment quotient, right? So just move out of your shell. If you don't understand something, just ask them. Be polite, but be assertive. You for sure will not, definitely you would be surprised, or you would be definitely taken by a surprise when you see how supportive people around you are being towards you. And on the contrary, if you were not being yourself, even if you were not being honest, and if you were acting way too smart and someone whom you're not, well, that would have been a big turn off, and for sure that would have landed you to a tight spot. Okay, ask people to correct you. Well, everybody in this world just loves to give advices, and because people love to give advices, well, then definitely when you ask, because you ask them to correct you, for sure they will enjoy this role a lot. They would just love to correct you, and because they are correcting you, you will learn a lot. So it is going to be a win-win situation for you. Don't shy away from asking people to correct you if you are doubtful about anything. Okay, speak up. Again, most of these tips are centered around overcoming that embarrassment and getting out of your shell to sort of just be who you are, right? So sometimes when you see that people are not very sure of a particular word that they are speaking, they just fumble it, right? And because they fumble a particular word, it even gets more irritating. So it is better to just say that, okay, so and so what, I'm not very sure of it. You might as well want to correct it if it is wrong. So there is no harm in just being yourself. Okay, don't worry about being right, just understood. Well, it is okay not to be completely perfect in the grammatical sense as far as your English is concerned. It is just fine. As far as people understand what you said, well, grammar will just become a formality. So it is fine. It is just okay. If you're able to convey what you had to well then grammar, even if you're not grammatically perfect, it is just fine, it is just okay. It's okay, after all, we all are learning, right? We all are going to grow with time. Even I am learning every day, so are all of you, right? So it is just fine as long as you have conveyed the message that you had to. Well, last but not the least, basically the crux of all of these tips that we've discussed is to be confident and be yourself. That is the most important thing. No matter what you do, no matter whatever field we discuss about, be it your personal front, be it your job, you should be yourself and be confident, very, very comfortable in your skin, very, very comfortable in whatever you are, right? And definitely you will grow with time if you're confident and comfortable with whatever you are. Well, all these tips are going to help you a lot, especially this last one if you happen to apply it. I'll see you again in the next video with another amazing material and content for you all. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.